All right, well, it's Saturday morning, day before Cinco de Mayo, and we just got a small, quick delivery for an Island Hopper Tiki bar, and we'll see how it goes when we get there. I think you guys might have saw this in the shop, but they need it for tomorrow, so we'll see you out on the at the project location. Tiki Kev out. All right, well, that was quick. That was about a 10-minute drive over here and about a 5-minute install. Although they didn't give us much parking, my truck's down there, we had to wheel it up here. But yeah, first tiki bar done for an authentic Mexican restaurant here in Lansdale, PA. Rio, I can't read what it says. What's the name of this? What's this? What's that say? Rio what? Oh, okay. Well, there you go. You come sit down at my tiki bar here at the restaurant. All right, well, for the Tiki Kev crew for today, Patty and Daniel. All right, well, we're going to go in and get some nice Mexican breakfast. All right, so for the Tiki Kev crew, Lansdale, PA, Tiki Kev out.